Connecting an LG soundbar to an LG TV. LG soundbars are easy to connect with your LG TV. In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to connect your LG soundbar of choice. First, place your soundbar and subwoofer where you want them, and plug them into a power outlet. In the back of the soundbar are the available options for connecting to your TV. The first way to connect is with the optical cable that came with your LG soundbar. Plug one end of the optical cable into the optical in port on the soundbar and plug the other end into the TV optical out port. Then turn on the TV and the soundbar should power up as well and show OPT on the front display to confirm it's connected to the TV. If this isn't the case, press the settings button on the Magic Remote. Then click on Sound from the sidebar on the left of the TV screen. Then click on the arrow until Optical is shown. Keep in mind that when using an optical cable, even if Dolby Atmos sound is available on the content being watched, you're only going to get 5.1 digital surround sound as an option. Arguably, the best way to hook up a soundbar is with an HDMI cable. An HDMI cable is essential if you want to experience Dolby Atmos from your compatible app streaming on or through your LG TV. HDMI is also the only way to get DTS:X, currently only available on Blu-ray disc. To connect with an HDMI cable, plug either end of the cable into the HDMI out TV ARC port on back of the soundbar. Most TVs have multiple HDMI ports, but only one of them is the ARC port. On the LG TV, it is labeled port 2. Find that eARC/ARC port and plug the HDMI cable in there. Note that using eARC requires HDMI 2.1. Turn on the TV, and the soundbar will turn on automatically. Again, if that doesn't happen at first, press the settings button on the Magic Remote, then click on Sound in the sidebar. Then click on the arrow until you see HDMI ARC. Dolby Atmos isn't available on all movies, but if we go back and select the same movie we selected earlier in the optical setup, you will notice that Atmos is now available on that same title. The subwoofer will connect automatically when the soundbar and the TV are connected. If you're not getting bass from the sub, check the power connection to be sure that it's plugged in. Also check the settings to make sure the bass and the woofer are turned up. When the soundbar is turned on and connected, the standby light on the subwoofer will go from either a flashing green or solid red light to a solid green light showing that it is connected. Now you're ready to enjoy high-quality audio with your LG TV. If you require further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.